around 4 tablespoons of masoor dal. Soak the dal in cold water for around 1 hour. Now place this dal in a mixer grinder. We will grind it into a paste. Along with the dal, add some curry leaves, which we call locally as Norohinho Pat. Then add some cloves of garlic according to your taste and some fresh chilies, green chilies. Grind this together, add some salt and a dash of oil, and this is ready. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep watching my new videos.